Actually, just 1 minute.
Yes,
One
sir.
minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you hear me, Akshay?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine.
So, mains result, you don't want to worry about that as we
Yes, sir. Sir, you told me beforehand, so I was less expecting it. If
yeah,
I had
like
been expecting it, then I would have been depressed for some time. But you told me beforehand, so I was not expecting much.
yeah, because after the first test itself, do you remember what I've told you? Like, if the first 3 chapters are like this, then it will be very difficult for you.
Yes, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
I don't understand, Akshay. You got very good coaching also, but I don't understand what happened with you. But comparatively from the previous test, this was like slightly better. But I didn't calculated your total score. How much it is
Sir,
in this paper?
it is 107.
107 is also very less, Akshay. Actually,
Yes, sir.
just 1 minute. Yeah, we will see one by one. I think ideal types is okay.
Okay. Yes,
But
sir.
even then, yeah, actually, what is ideal types? Ideal types means these are the abstractions of any particular social reality. So you have written something about that, and this is the key point that you need to write. There may be individual elements in
Okay.
case of any social reality that ideal types are the regularities, regularly seen elements, right?
Yes.
So when
Yes.
you talk about family, you know what are the regularly seen elements. These are ideal types. Religion also, there are some regularly seen elements. But these
Right.
individual elements are of no use. You cannot explain the reality with individual elements. You need to combine everything, then you can explain it. So those things have to be there. Otherwise,
Okay. Sir,
you
individual elements means one element of family cannot be enough to explain the entire
is
concept of
not
family,
enough.
right?
Is not enough. For example, if you see
Right,
family,
right.
like, it can be
So
economic security, it can be
right.
sexual gratification, it can be psychological aspect, right? There are if you talk about economic security, it can be from the friends also.
Right.
Emotional security also, it can be from friends or like that. Sexual
Yes.
gratification, again, it is not necessarily family.
Right,
Taking care
right.
of aged, if you see, that can be old age homes. Taking care of child, it can be child care centers. So these individual elements is not going to help you. That need to be written very clearly. That is what actually
Okay.
we were talking about.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
Then
So
there's
this
going to
is the
be,
main point then.
yeah, but this is good. Comparatively, it is good, and 5 mark is actually good for this. But actually, what I want to tell you is these are the questions where you need to capitalize.
Right, sir. Sir, if
These are
questions.
very objective questions and something which you are getting from thinkers. Everybody will score 7 mark. Like those who are clearing mains, no, for sure they will get 6+ for this. And those who are going to pass this exam, final result, they will be getting for sure 7 mark. If you're not able to get more than 6 mark in these kind of questions, then don't expect.
Oh, yes.
That is a raise. That is what we need to expect from our side, right? So
Okay.
if you
Sir,
need to be in the final list, these kind of questions is where you need to score 7. You will easily get that.
Okay.
So never miss these
Sir,
kinds of questions.
apart from this point, the individual elements are not enough. Is there anything more in to write in the
Actually,
content?
this is fine, but you can explain these ideal types of social action. You can briefly explain, right? It can
Okay.
be how Weber explain, or any other like authority you can maybe talk about, or you can even explain with the Protestant ethic and spirit of capitalism.
Okay. Yes.
One of that you can take and you can explain rather than just writing like this. For example, Weber even talk about these are ideal types of social action, but it is
Right.
not necessary any action will be either traditional or affective or recreational or word rational. He's talking about it can be combination of these also.
So I have to explain this
Yeah, you can
ideal. I
explain.
have
Then it
just
will be.
mentioned them.
This is something which everybody will do. Actually, every average student will do this because everybody knows this.
Yes.
It's
Sir,
nothing.
I know sir. I think I know the concept, but I do not know what actually to write. So I know I have to write ideal types.
That's what I'm saying. All these things are known to everyone. See, if you have cleared the prelims, everybody is spending time for sure. These are common things and basic things that everybody will write. There is no doubt in that. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. After you have joined after the mains. So when you gave the first test itself, it is very clear from that this time it is going to be difficult. And that is what I've told you after the first test. This is going to be difficult for you this time. So you don't want to be desperate or sad after the result. Okay, it was very clear because once you see the paper, you will come to know, because I'm seeing so much of papers every day, right? So So otherwise, ideal types is good. What about the second one? What was the question?
Class in itself and class for itself.
Class in itself and class for itself, it's not good actually. Class in itself, I think you have defined what is class. That is what required. Okay, class in itself is fine. The position in the production process and everything. Class 4 itself means when that particular class develops some consciousness. Okay,
Yes.
then they will work for them. Then it will transform from class in itself to class 4 itself. They start
Yes.
working for them and then explain you this false consciousness and true consciousness, and also explain with example different modes of production. For example, in ancient mode of production, even though there was there is a revolution and all, but it was based on false consciousness.
Right.
Because
Right. Yes.
they were eventually not able to change from their situation. The slaves are becoming serfs. The condition is same almost. The mode of production of so that's false consciousness.
Yes.
Again, from feudal to capitalism, still false consciousness.
Right.
But when the appropriate leadership and ideology and everything comes, then they transform it in the capitalist mode of production through revolution, proper leadership and everything. Then true consciousness will emerge. It will properly become class for itself and they will work for the class. And that explanation is what required rather than writing just briefly what is class in itself and class for itself. This is how you need to explain that.
Okay. Sir, so, sir, but will not there be space constraint for writing this much? Or do I have to?
No, it's like you can see something which you know. If you ask me, I can write these things in 100 words. I can write the same in 1,000 words also.
Okay. Yes.
So that is something which we need to develop. No, that is how we cannot make these kinds of excuse. These are the things which has to be there in your answer. Means it has to be there.
Okay. So apart from this, I have to write the particular false class consciousness.
Explain that. Then only it will be clear what is false consciousness. Give an example. Then only it is going to be clear. Otherwise, this is something which everybody will write. There is no doubt in that. Tell me, a student who is preparing for sociology, who will not write this answer like this? Everybody will do this.
Sir, everybody will get 5 marks for this.
Exactly this everybody will do. What was this question? Moving equilibrium?
Right.
Yeah, moving equilibrium, I think I have... this is what you need to... This is what... can you see this one which I have drawn?
Yes, sir. Sir, I saw your video for this on YouTube. Before, I was not clear of the concept. So
are you okay with that now?
Yes, sir.
This is what moving equilibrium, because there are mechanisms in society and that will fulfill the needs and bring equilibrium. If there is a disequilibrium or disturbance, there will be a feedback and it will act again. So society always maintain an equilibrium. Yes. What you have explained, that should be the second part. The cybernetic hierarchy of control should also be there. But after explaining these things, it has to come. This is the second part, cybernetic hierarchy of control. Because the cybernetic hierarchy of control, once you explain, you can talk about information flow, you can talk about energy flow. If there is a break in the flow, what will happen? There will be a social change. That is what disturbance. Once that break in the flow, there will be a disturbance, and then these mechanisms will operate, fulfill the needs, bring back equilibrium. This is what moving equilibrium. There is no need to explain AGIL or anything in this particular question.
Okay. Sir, can you please explain this again, the first part and the second part in brief also, if you can explain.
This is what, see, that theory of social system is having two parts. One is mechanism equilibrium phase. Second is requisite functionalism phase. Requisite functionalism phase is what talking about AGIL model. That they have not asked here. There is no need to mention that. Maybe one line you can mention. Mechanism equilibrium phase. That is what moving equilibrium. How society is in an equilibrium? It is a moving equilibrium. It keeps on maintaining the equilibrium. How? There are specific mechanisms, but these specific mechanisms are nothing but AGIL only. Four mechanisms are what required. That is what AGIL, that is the second part. So there are specific mechanisms which fulfill the needs. Why these mechanisms? There are needs, adaptation, goal attainment, integration, latency needs are there. They fulfill that, bring equilibrium. If there is a disturbance, how that disturbance will come? That is what you need to explain by using cybernetic hierarchy.
Cybernetic, okay.
Disturbance will come if there is a break in the flow, information flow or energy flow. And then the feedback will be given, right? It can be various laws, it can be police system, it can be judiciary, it can be nuclear, joint family to nuclear family, it can be anything.
Yes.
Then bring back the equilibrium again.
Okay. So first I have to write mechanical equilibrium phase where
mechanism equilibrium, not mechanical.
Oh yes, mechanism equilibrium phase where
And
there
then
are where are the institutions which fulfill the needs and
just draw this diagram. That's enough. This diagram is
okay,
what is required.
okay.
And then talk about cybernetic hierarchy. The one part is clear, cybernetic hierarchy of control. But
Hmm.
this one is the most important point. This is what moving equilibrium
Okay.
actually. That is
Yes,
missing.
sir.
So
Yes.
once this somebody is seeing this, then that person is very clear that you don't know the concept. You don't know Parson at all. And in fact, trust me, most of the students don't know Parson. They just mug it up. I hope you just mugged it up and you have reproduced. That's why it is missing.
Yes, sir.
See,
Sir,
most
this mechanism equilibrium phase is then it is due to cybernetic hierarchy of control, right? So once this information flow breaks, then there is change, social change.
No. The mechanism equilibrium phase is what you need to explain. And there I'm telling you always equilibrium, but there can be a disturbance.
Okay. Yes.
When disturbance is there, feedback will be there. But
Yes.
how the disturbance comes, if you need to explain that, explain cybernetic hierarchy of control.
Okay. Yes.
And
Yes.
then tell this disturbance is coming because of the break in information flow or energy flow.
Yes. Right.
If there is a change in direction or if there is any break, and then social change will come. And then the mechanisms, the feedback will be given, it will act again.
Yes.
See that video if it is available in YouTube. I don't know whether it is available. Just
yes, it is available.
Yeah. Then this is sacred and profane. Again, see, these are, let me tell you, class in itself, class for itself, you should be getting 7 marks. No doubt in that. Because marks you cannot afford to miss. Again,
Right.
moving equilibrium, Parson any question if you're attempting with conceptual clarity, you will be definitely getting 7 marks. Examiner will be rewarding you. Just 1 minute, Akshay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one, again, Parson, if you're attempting in a good way, like if you're getting these questions, no, cybernetic hierarchy of control, moving equilibrium, action system, social action, how Parson improved over Weber, these questions are like, if you go all in, because you're going to get good mark for these kind of questions. Any question from Parson, you have to must attend questions.
Okay, sir.
Because it will be properly rewarded, no doubt in that. If you're giving it, you will be getting it back.
Yes, sir. Because Parsons doesn't talk much. He has a very less concept, so we have to revolve around
and it is
two,
very
three concepts.
easy also. But people consider it as very difficult and they just ignore it. I don't know why. Okay. Now again, this one, sacred and profane. I don't know how much you got, but this is again you should
4.
4 markers, like you are in a very dangerous zone. How you should have proceeded with this question? Do you know the definition of religion? That is what you need to do first.
Yes.
Because
sir,
sacred profane is asked means you should be talking about the definition first. In that itself, he is introducing what is sacred. He's explaining what is sacred. What is the definition? Religion is a unified system of beliefs and practices related to
sacred things, things kept apart and forbidden.
Things. And then he's explaining that is to say things set apart and considered forbidden. So he introduced sacred and he explained what is sacred in that sentence. Your job is done with there itself once you explain that definition.
Oh.
Where is that now?
Sir, I thought, sir, I didn't introduce with the definition because I thought religion is a subset of sacred. So first I introduced.
No way. That means if you're thinking, that means you're gone. Right? That's not the actual concept, right? So if you would have done that way, your half of the job is done. Then you talk about sacred and then characteristics and then this positive rites, how you interact with sacred, the beliefs associated with that, the rituals, the rites, positive rites, negative rites, worshipping, fasting, sacrifices, and all those things. And then talk about profane. Then it is going to be very fast. If not,
okay.
See, you're in a very dangerous zone. Let me tell you this one, Akshay. These are the reason why you are not able to. But next year, forget about this. Anyway, you focus on your prelims this year now. Okay, next year, next time we can put some more effort and we can do that.
Okay. Sir, the concepts which you just mentioned about sacred and profane, which source were they from? Because I didn't find it in essential sociology or source. The classes
no, essential sociology, it's not good for thinkers. It may be like a go-to book, it's a guide. You attended Wajiram classes, right?
Right, yes, sir.
You attended from Mahapatra, sir, so follow that. That is much better.
Sir, I have followed it. My notes are combination of this essential sociology and Mahapatra notes and somewhat Harlem. But the sacred profane was not covered
I
enough,
don't know.
maybe due to lack of
I'll
time.
share the PDF of my notes also then.
Okay.
So it is there. I think it is there in Essential Sociology because almost all the things I can see some is repeating in that, because mostly things
Right.
that are coming in that is from Harlembo. So it is very easy, Essential Sociology. But don't rely for thinkers, otherwise it's fine.
Yes.
Thinkers
So in this
just
question, sir.
teacher and follow that.
Yes, sir.
Like if you have attended Upendra sir, it's fine, or Mahapatra sir, that's fine. That's the best two source that you can follow for thinker, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, this one 6 mark, but you could have got 7, but still it's okay. 6 mark is fine. Yeah, I think this concept is clear, right?